In this lesson, you will learn what actuators are and how a solenoid produces movement. You will also learn how DLP and LCD projectors create images along with their advantages and disadvantages. Output devices. Output devices receive data or control signals from a computer and produce a result. An actuator produces physical movement. A projector displays an image from a computer on a large screen. What is an actuator? An actuator is a mechanical or electromechanical device that converts an electrical signal into movement. Examples include relays, solenoids, and motors. Actuators can control conveyor belts, valves, switches, locks, and doors. Solenoid actuator. A solenoid contains a coil of wire. When electric current flows through the coil, it creates an electromagnetic field. This magnetic field moves a metal plunger inside the coil, producing straight line movement. How a solenoid works. First, current is supplied to the solenoid coil. The coil creates an electromagnetic field. The field moves a magnetized metal plunger. This movement can operate a valve, switch, lock, or another mechanical device. Linear and rotary motion. Linear motion means movement in a straight line. A solenoid plunger moving in or out is an example. Rotary motion means circular movement. Motors produce rotary motion and can operate fans, wheels, and conveyor belts. Light projectors. A light projector is an output device that displays computer images on a large screen or interactive whiteboard. Projectors are commonly used in classrooms, meetings, presentations, and training sessions. Two common types are DLP and LCD. DLP and LCD projectors. DLP and LCD projectors both display images, but they use different methods. A DLP projector uses a DMD chip containing tiny mirrors. An LCD projector uses separate LCD screens for red, green, and blue light. How a DLP projector works. A bright white light shines into the projector. The light passes through a color filter and lenses. It then reaches a DMD chip containing millions of microscopic mirrors. Each mirror represents one pixel in the projected image. DLP projector diagram. White light first passes through a condensing lens. A color filter separates the light into red, green, and blue. A shaping lens directs the light towards the DMD chip. The mirrors reflect the light through a lens and onto the screen. DMD chip and grayscale. Each tiny mirror on the DMD chip can tilt towards or away from the light. A mirror tilted towards the light switches a pixel on. A mirror tilted away switches it off. Rapid switching creates different shades of gray. DLP projector advantages. DLP projectors usually have high contrast ratios. They are reliable, quiet, small, and lightweight. A single DMD chip avoids image alignment problems. They can also work better than LCD projectors in dusty or smoky environments. DLP projector disadvantages. DLP images may show shadows during fast movement. The color definition and color saturation may be weaker than with LCD projectors. DLP projectors also create gray shades by rapidly switching mirrors rather than producing separate gray components. How an LCD projector works. An LCD projector creates a bright white light using a bulb or LED. Dichroic mirrors divide the light into red, green, and blue components. Each color passes through a separate LCD screen. LCD projector diagram. The three LCD screens produce red, green, and blue versions of the image. A prism combines these images into one full color image. The final image passes through the projector lens and onto the screen. LCD projector advantages. LCD projectors can produce sharp images and strong color saturation. They are usually more energy efficient than DLP projectors. They also generate less heat during operation. LCD projector disadvantages. LCD projectors often have lower contrast ratios than DLP projectors. Their panels have a limited lifetime and can degrade over time. This may cause screen burn or reduce the quality of the displayed colors. DLP. Compared with LCD, DLP projectors use a DMD chip and microscopic mirrors. They usually offer higher contrast, reliability, and a smaller design. LCD projectors use three LCD screens and a prism. They often provide sharper images and stronger colors. Common exam mistakes. An actuator does not display information. It creates physical movement. A solenoid usually produces linear motion, while a motor normally produces rotary motion. DLP uses a DMD chip. LCD uses three LCD screens and a prism. Quick review and summary. What does an actuator do? It converts an electrical signal into movement. What chip does a DLP projector use? A DMD chip containing microscopic mirrors. What combines the three color images in an LCD projector? A special prism. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more IGCSE Computer Science revision. Visit www.tuitionharbor.com or email hello@tuitionharbor.co.uk.